Park City, Utah, whether it's the Olympics, the Mayflower development, there is so much going on. Mike, tell me about this property.
Absolutely. Here we are. We're at the top of Pinebrook in Park City, and easy access to everything this world-class resort town has to offer. And this property specifically, it's been remodeled recently, and the amazing finishes they put in took advantage of the open floor plan. They added so many contemporary features like this steel fireplace, steel railings, and in the kitchen they used Wolf appliances, Sub-Zero. You've got 2 islands, and it's such an amazing area to entertain.
And the attention to detail throughout the entire house, it's definitely remarkable. I love the natural light coming in, whether you're on the main floor or wherever you are. The 4-car garage, the water feature. I mean, Mike, there's so many things to talk about.
There is, absolutely. And like you said, the natural light throughout. You've got these high ceilings, multiple fireplaces. They did an amazing job on the primary suite. You have a private deck off the primary suite, but then you also have a fireplace. You've got a steam shower, a clawfoot tub, and a huge closet as well. And they just did an amazing job on the finishes.
This feels like it's designed for entertaining. I mean, it's a one-of-a-kind property. What else do we need to know about this?
It's just so functional. Downstairs, you basically have a mother-in-law suite. You have a full kitchen, and you have daylight on the lower level, which is really nice. Private bedroom, but also a flex room, which they currently use as a gym as well. And then easy access to that 4-car garage, like you mentioned.
We said Pinebrook, you said Canyons Drive. So, I mean, this property is extremely private. I know the walking trails, I know a bunch of different things in the area. What else should we know?
So many hiking trails. And then this property, the backyard is an amazing entertaining space. It backs up to HOA land, so it's super private. This amazing water feature that you have, great indoor, outdoor entertaining, and you just can't go wrong here.
Mike, something to me keeps saying, welcome home.
Absolutely, it's so serene. People talk about skiing in the wintertime. The summers are amazing in Park City. And imagine being able to entertain in this space in the summertime. It's unbelievable.
A year-round getaway. I absolutely love the property, and I know someone else is going to soon.